Your workflows help you automate many processes in your business. However, if you're familiar with logic and want a freer way to build your automation, the new Advanced Workflow Builder will help you drag, drop, and design workflows across an open canvas. Let's check how. Start by navigating to the Workflows tab inside the Automation section and creating or editing a build. Using the drop-down at the top left corner, switch to the Advanced Builder, click plus Add, then select whether you want to include an action or trigger. To connect nodes, drag the connector handle or the plus icon to stitch your workflow. If a node got automatically connected and you want to reroute it, click the trash can icon, then follow the previous steps. The Advanced Builder lets you manage multiple workflows in a single canvas, starting contacts on different actions depending on their trigger. Additionally, it helps you be much more efficient by adding keyboard shortcuts for quick actions, color coding, and automated layout organization. This new builder type has everything you love about workflows, but faster, clearer, and more intuitive than ever, replacing the linear list with a visual canvas so you can place, connect, and rearrange logic exactly how you want. We hope you enjoy it.